Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
If you want to stop recording GTA 5 on PC, you must disable every recorder. Background recorders capture gameplay without asking you to save clips. The only reliable way is to turn off each source systemically and then verify no process remains. This video walks through Windows settings, NVIDIA and AMD overlays, plus common third-party tools. Follow each step and then reboot. After a reboot, check GTA 5 and confirm no automatic clips appear in your videos folder. Open Windows settings with Windows key and type Gaming to Open options. Toggle Xbox Game Bar off to stop the overlay from capturing. Under Captures, set Record in the background to off to stop shadow recording. Also disable recorded audio and microphone if present to prevent audio capture. Confirm game DVR features, show off in the Xbox console companion settings if installed. Reboot Windows to apply changes and clear any temporary recording processes. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience and click Settings to find in-game overlay. Turn in-game overlay off to disable shadow play and instant replay features. For AMD, open Radeon settings and then disable Relive to stop background capture. Close or uninstall OBS, Streamlabs, or any other recording app running in the system tray. Check Task Manager for processes like NV Container or Radeon Relive and end them if necessary. Finally, launch GTA 5 and verify no new clips are being created in your videos folder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.